has been dating?
We've been dating for 9 months.
You.
Okay. Is your partner light skin or dark skin?
That's skin.
Okay. When last did you see your partner?
2 weeks ago.
Okay. And what is your partner's name?
Kamkhelo.
Hayi wena, kamkhelo ke manje ano wena. E re thabile.
Kamkhelo.
Kamkhelo ke mano wenhleke. Kanti etsalang ntanga. Ikamkhelo. Ke mang kamkhelo?
Kamkhelo ubhuti omunye uthengisa amafoni ase-KZN.
Yo, mawabona nenhletse kamaka no khotman wa botsa o jola le mang msumisa ka kamkhelo.
For 9 months.
Ka 9 months jola le. Kushise ke style sa hawe nje.